Rabia is here. Now we start learning the HSK Book 1, Unit 6. 我会说汉语 I can speak Chinese. Now warm up. Now match the pictures with the words or phrases. Now we look at the picture, we choose, give the selection. First, Mama. Last time I already gave that you. It's a repeated word. We say like this. Okay, follow me. This is repeated. Mama. In Chinese, you don't need the repeated this word and only practice. Okay, everybody knows. Mom, mother. Who is mom and mother? Is eyes. We choose F. Okay. Now, second, 汉字 Chinese characters. A. We choose A. Third, 中国菜 Chinese dishes. Chinese dishes. B. Next, because the B is Chinese people food. Four, 说汉语 speak Chinese. C. The man they and the woman they are say 你好 Chinese language. 5. 写汉字 write Chinese word. D. 6. 做中国菜 cook Chinese food. E. Now A, B, C, D, E, F is our answers. Is our right answers.
Stop.
Now we do the text. We learn the text.在学校 in the school, at school. 你会说汉语吗？你 you are 会看说 speak 汉 nation 语 language mark question mark you can speak Chinese 汉 language can you speak Chinese? B party A B 我会说汉语 I can speak Chinese. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. 你妈妈会说汉语吗 Can your mother speak Chinese? 她不会说 No, she can't. No, she can't. Now we turn the next page to 在厨房 in the kitchen. Now first party A 中国菜是爱菜好吃吗？中国 Chinese 菜dish 好吃吗？好 good well 吃 eat 中国菜好吃吗？ Is Chinese food delicious? Good eating, good for eating. Is Chinese food good for eating? B. 中国菜很好吃。中国菜很好吃。中国 Chinese 菜 dish food 菜 is 烧鸡 vegetable, but we say China dish 烧鸡 vegetables. 中国菜 vegetables, but this is the food, Chinese food dish. very 好 good well 好吃 delicious. Chinese food is delicious. Yes, quite delicious. 你 party A 你会做中国菜吗？你 you会看做 do 中国菜 Chinese food. Can you do Chinese food? Can you cook Chinese food? 我不会做 No, I can't. I can't. Next, 在图书馆 at library, in the library. 你会写汉字吗？你 you, your 会看写 write 写 write 汉字Han nation 字 character 汉字字 word Chinese word. Can you speak Chinese word? Can you write Chinese characters? Can you write Chinese word? 就是 OK. 我会写 Yes, I can. I can write. Chinese side, I can write 写 write. 这个字怎么写？这个 this 字 word 怎么写 ？How to write? How to write? How do you write this word? This character? 对不起 I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. 这个字我会读 I can read this word. 不会写 but I don't know how to write it. But I can write. Easy sentence. I can read it, but I can't write it. I can read this word, but I can't write it. Now we continue our class. Now standard course 1. Notes is veiling word 会. The model word 会看. The meaning of can. Now first sentence. Look the form and the first lines, second lines, and third lines. First lines. 我会写汉字 If you don't know any word, please mark the pronoun. 我会写汉字我 I 会看写 write Han nation. This Chinese is our national language. So 字 word letter character. 我会写汉字 I can write Chinese character. I can write Chinese word. What is it? Okay. Second, 我不会做中国菜。我 M 不 not don't 会看不会 can't not can't 做 do 中国 Chinese 中 central middle central 中国 the Chinese before the Chinese, ancient Chinese people, they think we are the center of the earth. We are the center of the earth, and they have a lot of myth, and they telling that story, the old story. Oh, this earth is this plaza, one square, and the sky is cover. And we are the center of the world. So they call the country Zhongguo, middle and center of the earth of the world. 中国菜 Chai means food, dish, some vegetables. 我不会做中国菜 I can't cook Chinese food. I can't cook Chinese food. Third, 你妈妈会说汉语吗？你妈妈 your mother, your mom 会看说 speak 汉语 Han language Chinese mark question mark. Does your mother can speak Chinese language? Can your mother speak Chinese? Now we hear second is they give the grammar of the sentence with an adjectival predicate. It's subject plus adverb plus objective. Now sentence we learn the form of the sentence. 我很好，我很好，我 I'm 很 very 好 well good I'm very good. Oh, I'm fun. I'm fun. How are you? I'm fun. 我很好。This is a translation of I'm fun. 我很好。second, 我妈妈的汉语不好。不 is adverb and 好 is adjective. 我妈妈 my mother 的 of s 的 of s 汉语 Chinese 不好 is not good. My mother's Chinese is not good. My mother can't speak good Chinese. My mother don't know Chinese. My mother don't know a little Chinese. Know a little. My mother know a little Chinese. My mother's he can know more Chinese. He don't know Chinese like this. 中国菜很好吃。中国 Chinese 菜 dish some vegetable and food 很好吃 very very 好吃 delicious good eating. Chinese food is very good for eating. Chinese food is very delicious.
Stop.
Okay, now we continue the notes 3. The interrogative pronoun 怎么 how the meaning is how. First sentence 这个汉字怎么写 Here is the pronoun. Any student, if you don't know any word, please mark the pronoun here. 这个 this 汉 nation 字汉字 word 汉字 Chinese word Chinese character 怎么写 How to write I ask you, you are party B and party A. How do you write this word, this Chinese word? How can you write this Chinese word? How can I write this Chinese word? I ask you, teach me. How can I write this Chinese word? Second sentence. 你的汉语名字怎么写 Any here pronoun, please mark. 你的 your adjective mark. 你的汉语 Chinese 汉语 national Chinese 名字 name 怎么 how to write 怎么 how 写 write is how can I write your Chinese name? How can I write your Chinese name? I write. How can I write your Chinese name? Next, 这个字怎么写？这个 this 字 word 怎么写 ？How to write? How to write this word? How to write this word? How to write your Chinese name? How to write your Chinese name? How to write this word? Now, next page. Exercise. We are role play the dialogues. Answer the questions according to the actual situations. Actual situation, it means that you are affected. Your situation is your self-situation. Then they gave the 5 questions. Then party A asks you. Then every student answer by your own situations. First, 你会说汉语吗？你会看说 speak 汉语 Chinese. Han is a national language. 汉语 Han national language. 你会说汉语吗？ Can you speak Chinese? Second, 你会写汉字吗？汉语 Chinese language. 汉字 Chinese word, Chinese character. 你会写 Can you write Chinese word, Chinese characters? Third, 你会做中国菜吗？你 you 会看做 do not cook 中国菜，中国neutral country 国 country 中国 Chinese 菜 food。Can you cook Chinese food? Can you cook Chinese food? 你有汉语名字吗？你有 have there be 汉语 Chinese 名字 name。Do you have a Chinese name? Do you have Chinese name? 吗？question mark. 5. 你会写你的汉语名字吗？你会写你的汉语名字吗 ？You can write 你的 your 汉语 Chinese 名字 name. Can you write your Chinese name? Your Chinese name. Now we do the exercise 3. Describe the pictures using the newly learned language points and words. Look the picture, then we do. Now, first picture. 我们都会都 remember this. 我们都会说汉语说汉语 speak Chinese. We all can speak Chinese. We all can speak Chinese. Next, 中国菜很好吃。Chinese food are very delicious. Chinese food are very delicious. Next, look the picture. It's a cook. 他会做中国 here 中国菜。他会做中国菜。他会做中国菜。He can cook Chinese food. 4. 这个汉字 this Chinese character 我会读。read. I can read this Chinese word. 不会写 write. 我会读，不会写。This word, Chinese word, I can read, but I can't write. Next page. Next page. 拼音 tone collocation in the syllabic words. 1 tone plus 1, 2, 3, 4 tone. Now we say 咖啡 coffee 公园 public you remember public 园 garden circle public circle park 机 machine 场 plaza 机场 machine plaza airport 车 car 站 stand stop car stop car stand bus station we should remember get memory of the basic meaning of every word. They never changed for thousands of years, and you can make many phrases with the basic meaning the word. One word will make many lot of phrases easily to remember this. Now we do the next middle of this page of P. Listen to the recording and read after it. Pay attention to the collocation of tones. Now, 今天 today 今年 天 day sky day you remember the sky day天 sky day 今天 today 今年 year this year 今 means this year this day today 精彩 wonderful 一个 silent 精彩 wonderful 一个 silent 精彩 color 精 spirit 车票 car 票 ticket go public 司 office 公司 public office company. Now next 刚才 just now 刚才 just now 操场 playground 操 means drill 场 plus course 鸡蛋 chicken 蛋 egg 鸡蛋刮风 wind blow 欢迎刮 means safe the wind 刮风 means big wind heavy wind when the wind go from you just like saved very pain feel pain 欢迎 welcome now we learn 经理 manager 机会 machine 会看 you can do the machine chance opportunity and 关心 heart 关 close off 关心 care about 关于 about related 开始 open 始 start begin start 高兴 glad happy 高 high 兴 delight highly delight. Next we learn the characters strokes of Chinese characters. Now we learn 撇折 look at me how to write 撇折摸 look 摸怎么摸 is this is the meaning of self is small things small 摸 is remember this is 狮字旁 self this is 狮字旁suffix next 东 east 东 east next 斜钩 is this now we learn the 斜钩 okay that is which the word 我 look at me 我斜钩 and you can cut this word Cut is what you notice. Hand. Hand. Your hair is a hand. 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers is hand, and this is 手，这是戈，这是戈，戈 means weapon, and when we're writing here is linked. Your hand with the weapon. You look at the playing cards, and who is the king? The king is king. The king is hand with a weapon here. He with a weapon here. This is the king. I protect myself with weapon. Is I can survive in this world. So weapon in hand. Weapon in hand meaning weapon in hand. Now we write 钱。钱 this is a 金字旁，金字旁 is a 金字旁 is iron， 金字旁 and 钱 is 钱 means money is iron made with copper made, silver made, and this is 钱 is 钱. Next 提 is 我 Next 打 means beat, to hit. Now we recognize the single component characters. 1. 东 east is where the sun rises, is opposite to sea, west. In meaning, 东 look at this. 东 we write东, right. 东 next. See, second, 我 the character 我 originally looked like a weapon with sharp, pointed edges. Now it is a personal pronoun. 我 remember this is a hand and this is a weapon. This is 戈 weapon. Weapon in hand. You hold a weapon. So this look this must linked. 我 next. She was originally shaped like a bird's nest. Now it means west, opposite of east. C is a root word, is 有. It means it's beverage. It looks like a jar, look like a pot. Beverage is used for beverage. 东西 things. The old things are east and west. We say 东西means stuff, things, and put in a pot. Okay, now third is a structure of Chinese characters, single component and compound. Now we learn. Turn the next page. Standard course 1. Structure single we say 人 is that we open our legs, and when we stand, this is 人 Next, 我 already learned. 中 this is 中 middle cut it middle. Central middle center also center. This 中 when you read this, it means it's center. Next, compound 你 this is when we write this in Chinese, we can write in the middle or the single structure, we write to the middle. 人 Now look at me. The single word we say 人 next look at me. 我中 and compound word we say this is left side right side, and this is bottom top. We say 你 look at this 你用做this word. Now we do the application pair work. Work in pairs and ask and answer questions according to the actual situations. Actual situation, it means as is your situation, you answer. Okay? A. 你会说汉语吗 Can you speak Chinese? 我会说，我不会说。会不会说？You answer 我会说，我会说，我不会说。I can't say, I can't speak, I can't. No, I can't. 我会 Yes, I can. 我不会 No, I can't. A. 你会写汉字吗 Can 写 write 汉字 Chinese character. Can you write Chinese characters? 我会不会写？会不会写？我会写 Yes, I can. 我不会写 No, I can't. 你的汉语名字叫什么 Your 汉语 Chinese 名字 name 叫靠什么 What's your Chinese name? 我的名字名字叫My name is 我的名字叫拉比亚My name is Next， 你会写你的汉语名字吗 ？Can you write your Chinese name？ 啊，会，不会，会，不会，会 ？Yes, I can。不会。Oh, no, I can't. Now we do the group work. Work in groups of 3 to 4. Ask about each other's language skills and take notes. Each group chooses one member to make a report. Now with supplementary words. Follow me. 英语语 language 英语 English 法语 French 日语 Japanese Now look the form. First the name. You choose the student and make a group and 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 name. David and David. English. 英语、法语 French、汉语 Chinese、日语 Japanese. If you can speak, then you make the mistake. If you can't speak, you make the X. Okay? And this is the last exercise. Now goodbye. See you tomorrow.